at least over a week. But I was just trying to settle myself in here and stuff. I'm so tired. I shaved for about 2 this morning. I finished my hair. My locks is back in. So, vacation. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. So, let's say let me just catch you guys up on what's been going on, what's been happening. So, I will talk to you guys probably next episode of this cover. Yeah. Hey guys, hey. So, welcome back. I have not been vlogging the way I want to. I've been here, a whole 2 weeks, and I haven't vlogged the way I wanted to. I do apologize for that, but I have been working a lot. I have been working, so that's the reason why I haven't been picking up the camera to vlog, right? Oh, like somebody really trying to get my attention. Yeah, so I am currently in the room right now. I have just finished edit a video. Oh my god! Relax. Yes, I just finished edit a video, which I will make public tomorrow. Every time that phone go beep, I am not gonna look yet. I've just finished edit a video, so it should go up. You hear that thunder? It has been raining here. Yesterday was like a freak storm. It was my first time experiencing that, and to be honest, Bahamas has 19 storms, 19 hurricanes and storms that should pass the island. Now they're saying that it mightn't pass and it will, or some will pass. They don't know, but yeah. I am scared. Hello, I'm Trinidad, where we don't expect them kind of thing, but we were just getting tail end of it. But to actually be here, and I am nervous. I am scared. I don't know what to expect. So, God, the place is like the thunder. If you guys could see outside, if I guys could show you all outside, let me flip this to show you all, right? Look at how that's swayed. The sky is gray. It's gray, the trees are swaying, rain is drizzling. So yeah. That has, ooh. Yeah, so this have me kind of a little scared, but it's okay. We'll be fine. Yeah, so like I said, I edited the video, has to go up on Tuesday, so I already do the thumbnails. So tonight I'm just gonna put in the little bits of, all the tagline, the heading for it, and everything else. So yeah, you guys should expect that vlog before this one goes up, so look out for that. And yeah, this week is just work, so I really don't want to take you guys along through that because it's gonna be a bit boring. So we don't want to be a boring vlog. But anyway, I will catch you guys next once I pick up this camera. And yeah. Hey guys, hey. So I'm actually gonna take a shower right now. Before I do, I'll tell you guys about one of the little products that I got. I got this rosemary mint from Sunny Isles. This is it here. And so this is rosemary mint here and strong rose oil. It's double growth formula, right? So this is supposed to place on the scalp. I did place it this morning, so I'm gonna do it like once a day. I got that. When I did shower my hair, let me show you guys the product I got. Hold on. Yes, so when I did wash my hair, I used the Garnier Fruities. Garnier Fruities. So I used this one here. This is the Garnier Fruities hair filter and hyaluronic moisturizing conditioner. This is the conditioner for the brand here. And I also use the same brand, same product, but there's the moisturizing shampoo, which is kind of almost done. And when I finish combining everything, I use the hair repair serum. Just place that all over my head to get my head a little moisturized. But I should place some more. This has 4% hyaluronic acid. Alright, so I'm gonna place a little more bit later. I did get the lot of body. This is the mousse, foaming mousse, like I can speak. Currently right now what I'm using to clean my face, because I do have a bit of a dry skin right now, I'm using the Essential Tea Tree Face Scrub, Cleanser and Refresher. So there's burn here, focus, right, as you guys can see. Right, and that's what I have been using right now. Show you guys how the hair looks. So I can go and shower, clean up myself. The watch under my arm, I have to shave. And I will line this rosemary. Smells, you get that rosemary scent. So my lungs is back in, and honestly, it's for the best because my hair just need a little break. Just gonna take it out so I'll show you guys how it looks. So some black, some ginger, but it's all gonna get color pretty soon. I'm gonna color it. See, so this is the hair itself. This is the hair itself. As you guys can see. Anyway, just gonna put some oil, fix that, tie it back up, because I'm really not into doing anything much with it. I'm not going anyway. It's what, I think it's about 6 something right now. So hey guys, hey, today is the next day. I said I want to come back with the camera. It's a rainy day. Last night it had like thunderstorm and stuff. Now I'm not accustomed to thunderstorm and those type of things. I'm from Trinidad. We're not accustomed to those type of things, but to actually see thunderstorms and those type of things, it was like a bit scary for me. I was like, ooh. So yeah, it has been a pretty rainy morning. It's still kind of raining. I'm accustomed to the rain, not the thunderstorm, but anyway, yeah, like I said, it's just been a rainy morning. Has been pretty okay. So kind of keep you guys a little up to date on what's been going on. And yeah, I do want to go to the to get some munchies. I do have munchies for some snacks, but we'll see. Alright guys, so okay, so these are all my stuff here, right? I'm a tote that I never wore yet. I wore this the other day when we went to dinner with, well, brunch with Dazan and them. The coach bag in the back. But I got this to go Kess last year, which was really good. The one everybody always seeing. I want us to go Spirit Band launch. I have the Prada, which I always wear. This one, this was new. This I never wore this YSL in the back here. I wore this the other day. And these are just the Telfers and them here. And then I just have my shoes under here, clothes. You know me, I have my clothes here. The jeans. This is all the stuff I could have brought. You know me. Since you're back to me. see this Sony tripod is the worst. It's like it doesn't want to stand up on its own. Oh, sorry if I came and flashing you guys. Let me come up a little closer. Yeah, I'm going to take a shower right now because I am dirty. And yeah, I kind of pissed off the fact that this Sony camera doesn't stay still. Anyway, I have my locks back in. I just do my hair kind of moisturizer because it has been dry and flaking and itching. So I put some moisturizer in it to kind of alleviate that and also help with the growth. I have to wash my hair this week coming here, and you know that's a long process. So anyway, that's it. Let me go shower and I will come back to you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I feel like I put nothing on my face. So I just wait for this on my face here. I'll put it on the screen of what it is. I'm going to be telling you guys, oh, I have this. Next thing I'm gonna put is this vitamin C serum from SKKN by Kim Kardashian. This feels like a real water based kind of thing. Let's see what it does. You know. Alright. Looks like to clean it off after. Then this tea tree cream, just a dab, just to help my skin. It smells like tea tree. Not a nice, it's fragrance free, so. Alright, so this is the help my eczema. This is the last something I paid up. That's it guys, I don't put nothing else again. Skincare thing was trash. It was trash, it was trash. It didn't do anything, felt like friggin' water. But I guess I digress. I'm an influencer. I gotta show the people this stuff. Anyway, that's all. I'll talk to you guys when next time I come this camera.
Lonely nights, I still hear the cries from Sherry. Please don't hit me. We were kids under the sheets. We were kids under the sheets. In this boarded house, there's no hope in these rooms of dreams. All these pictures looking at me. Others don't leave. It rains, then it pours. Leave your pride at the door. Don't let me fall. Hold me close. Please don't let me go.
Big up to you all in the town. After the party goes, we're gonna hang out for a good time. We're gonna get cold, good drinks. We're going to the workers' house grounds, alright?
sands make plans to be in each other's arms. I wanna drown in the depths of you, yeah, yeah. Where the water's so blue, so blue. I need to take my time right now to show you something real, so real.
Should I actually use this to swim? Oh guys, if you see this water, so I'm studying, should I go snorkeling? But I just washed my hair, so we'll see, okay? We'll see. Guys, so I just pulled a starfish, a real starfish. It felt so good. I'm still on the beach right now and the water is amazing, like, wouldn't lie, it is everything. Ooh! I will lie, Bahamas, they take the cake when it comes to beach. Tobago is cute, Bahamas kinda, yeah. As you guys saw with the starfish, I didn't expect a whole one. That's everything though, it was. Alright, so, the fuck? You ain't gonna try to attack me? Anyway, talk to you guys in a bit.